Nestled in the heart of the Czech Republic lies a fairy tale town seemingly untouched by time, Český Krumlov. A jewel of Bohemia, this enchanting town captivates visitors with its winding cobblestone streets, colorful facades, and a majestic castle overlooking the Vltava River. It is a place where history whispers through every corner, and the beauty of the past comes alive in the present. Join us as we explore the charm, history, and magic of Český Krumlov, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that promises to transport you to another era. The story of Český Krumlov begins in the 13th century when it was founded as a medieval settlement. Built strategically along a bend in the Vltava River, it became a thriving trade hub and an important center for the aristocratic Rosenberg family. Their influence is still felt in the town's Renaissance architecture and its iconic castle. Later, the town flourished under the rule of the Schwarzenberg family, who expanded the castle and introduced Baroque elements to its design. Through centuries of political and cultural changes, Český Krumlov has retained its medieval charm, making it a treasure trove of history and architecture. At the heart of Český Krumlov is its grand castle, the second largest in the Czech Republic. Perched high on a rocky hill, the castle complex is a blend of Gothic, Renaissance, and Baroque styles. Its iconic round tower, adorned with vibrant frescoes, offers breathtaking views of the town and the surrounding countryside. The castle grounds also include a remarkable Baroque theater, one of the best preserved of its kind in Europe. This 18th century gem still features original stage sets, machinery, and costumes, transporting visitors to the golden age of Baroque performance. Below the castle, the Latran district is filled with charming medieval houses, artisan shops, and cafes. The town square, Svornosti Square, serves as the heart of Český Krumlov, surrounded by colorful Renaissance and Baroque facades that reflect its vibrant history. The Vltava River flows gracefully through Český Krumlov, adding to the town's picturesque allure. A popular activity for visitors is to take a leisurely canoe ride or raft along the river, offering unique perspectives of the town's architecture and natural beauty. For those seeking tranquility, riverside walks provide an opportunity to soak in the serene atmosphere and capture stunning photographs. Český Krumlov is a hub of art and culture. The Egon Schiele Art Centrum, dedicated to the Austrian artist who was inspired by the town's beauty, hosts exhibitions of modern and contemporary art. The Regional Museum of Český Krumlov offers insights into the town's history, displaying artifacts, photographs, and a detailed model of the town as it looked centuries ago. The town also celebrates its heritage through vibrant festivals. The Five-Petaled Rose Festival, held every June, transforms Český Krumlov into a medieval wonderland with jousts, parades, and music. The International Music Festival, held annually, fills the streets with world-class performances, from classical to jazz. visit to Český Krumlov would be incomplete without savoring its culinary offerings. Traditional Czech dishes like svíčková and roast duck are served in cozy, historic taverns. The town is also known for its craft beers and locally produced wines, best enjoyed with views of the castle or the river. For those with a sweet tooth, a taste of trdelník, a cinnamon sugar pastry often found at street stalls, is a must. Paired with a cup of coffee, it's the perfect treat to enjoy while soaking in the town's charm. Surrounded by the rolling hills and forests of South Bohemia, Český Krumlov is a gateway to nature. The nearby Blanský Forest offers hiking and biking trails with stunning views, while the serene Lipno Lake, just a short drive away, provides opportunities for swimming, boating, and relaxation. Český Krumlov is more than just a town. It's a portal to a world where history, culture, and nature converge in harmony. Its timeless beauty and warm hospitality leave an indelible mark on all who visit. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Český Krumlov. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to our channel, Savvy Voyages, and turn on notifications to explore more incredible destinations with us. Until next time, keep wandering, and we'll see you on our next adventure.